First question is
Okay.
madaxweynihii ugu horreeyay Soomaaliya magaciisa.
The first ever one, yeah?
Yes.
Abdullah. Oh, it's Abdullah Hassan. I swear to God, I know it. He's a comedian, I just don't know.
Yes.
Farah.
Farah.
Muruto.
Welcome back to Naji show. Caawa waxaan sameynaynaa barnaamij cusub oo loo magacbay How Somali Are You. Waxay la joogto Sumaya. Soo dhawaad Sumaya barnaamijka.
Thank you for having me, Naji.
Thank you. Dhawdahay. Sumaya waa gabar actrice ah oo London degan. Waa si fiican u baran doontaan. Linkigeeda iyo detailskeeda hoos lagu soo qoray Instagram-keeda. waxay samaysaa filmaan short iyo SMS riwaayad play SMS the home la dhahay qofka fiirsaday oo Somali Week laga soo saaray laakiin ka hor subscribe like and share.
Thank you.
Saamaano
Gala. Subscribe.
Yes. So dhawaw maanta waxaan tasgareynaynaa How Somali Are You meeqa percentage-ka meeqa
Let's do it. أنا بحسها 80%.
80%. Okay, 80. That's good. Let's start. barnaamijka wuxuu ku kooban yahay taariikh, history, language iyo politics. iyo celebrity Soomaalida. So my first question is madaxweynihii ugu horreeyay Soomaaliya magaciisa.
The first ever one, yeah?
Yes.
Abdullah. Oh, it's Abdullah Hassan. I swear to God, I know it. I think it's Abdullah something.
Abdullah something. Okay. waxaan ku siinayaa hint yar.
Okay, give me hint. Yes.
Airport Muqdisho loogu magac daray.
Aadan Abdul. Yes.
That is it.
Yeah. We got this.
Okay. Intigu waa heshay. Okay. waxaan ku siinayaa luqadda waxa waaye hadii lagu dhaho wiilkan ilaa cirka soo riday macnaheedu maxaa waaye?
Wiilka ilaa cirka soo riday. That means this person was heaven sent. I'm just kidding. That means like wiilkan ilaa cirka soo riday, right? That's what you said.
Ama cirka laga soo riday.
Yeah. It just means, this person is not there. Mujogo. He's not there, so how I would deji.
Like I'm from heaven on غلايم صوت wax fiican
على. It could.
cirka laga soo riday hadii la dhaho warkan waxa waaye it is diblow.
Oh, is it diblow?
Okay. mid kale ku haya. Iyadana waxa waaye hadii qofku dhaho madaxayga saaran tahay.
Oh, of course. That means the person respects you a lot. Yeah.
Idan hatiri madaxayga saaran tahay qofkii Soomaaliga seen muxuu dhihi lahay? You are on my head, man.
Yeah, that would be so weird. Imagine you're so valued that I put you on my head. That doesn't make sense.
Yes. It's good. Yeah. Hadii English lagu bedel dib way ahaa. Okay, waxaan tageynaa geographical waxa sheegtaa 3 magaalo oo Soomaali ku taalo.
3 magaalo oo Soomaali ku taalo, right? So I can't say half of it. That's inside Muqdisho. It has to be different cities.
Different cities, yes.
Okay. Muqdisho.
Go.
Hargeysa.
Labo.
And Puntland.
Puntland is not magalo, it's state.
Wait. Okay. Hargeysa, Muqdisho, and I'll say Bosaso.
Yes. Yeah? Bosaso. Yes. Good. waxaan ka rabaa dadkan celebrity-ga ah inaa sheegtid. Okay. magacooda yaa waay?
Oh, I knew this one. When I was younger, there was a song that he made, something bus.
Yes.
Bus. Would you put a bus? Okay, I'm embarrassing myself.
Bito aan ciyaaro. Bus baa ku ciile.
He's got a name. He's a funny.
Gabadhana naagtana?
Ooh, isn't that the one that dances?
Yes.
Fadumina,
yes.
And this one, I know he's a comedian, but I just don't know.
Yes.
Farah Muruto.
Farah Murtile.
That's the one. I knew it. Murtile. Sorry.
Farah Murtile and Fatimina. Okay. This guy is YouTuber way. YouTuber famous. Una Hessa. Yes. He got more than 600,000 followers on YouTube.
Ooh, okay. I like his bandana.
Yeah. Based in Austria.
Yeah.
عام واي. So you're gonna skip this one? Because we're small. So
not the
تغنى.
one that says unsi lashidal why no.
ما كاس دي ناجي
I
واي.
knew it. Yeah, this pass.
Yeah. Okay. This is وحلا CK.
CK.
King CK.
King CK.
Yes. وحو قاعد الراب نو قاعد هست وحق فالق قدام غش.
Okay, no, I haven't, but I will just
Yeah.
listen to it.
Yes.
CK,
Good.
yeah?
CK. Okay.
CK, alright.
We're gonna go to the next.
Shout out to CK.
قبل أنا YouTuber. She's famous. Based in UK. إنجليز كده كنت.
She does makeup?
No. حواي بدنا يوتيوبر وسومالي وهذا الشيء عام واي هذا بقول كون عمل هستعمل هنا
يسرا؟
Fortune Duvet.
Fortune Duvet.
Yes, okay. This guy is famous.
Of course, this is my uncle. This is my uncle. I love his name. Oh, how can I just face and talk about it? Jelani? This is. I know who this is. This is my number one. He made me want to be an actor. What was his name? Oh.
Ajakis.
Ajakis.
Yes.
My nigga like Ajakis with the Rolex.
The Rolex, yes.
Don't forget. 35, yeah? Yes.
1,200 pounds and $127.
He's famous. He's legend.
Yes.
He's legend. Salute كسلان Ajakis. Okay, هذا حنقلنا حيوان بني آدم كاك بحني.
حيوان. Come on.
حيوان. Okay.
Yes.
كان محل قدر سومالي.
Oh, you're taking it. Face,
English محل قدر.
What was it? In English it's called ostrich.
Ostrich. Yes. Ostrich. Yes.
In Somali I will say shimmer khorder.
I like it. I like it. شمبر غوردر.
Shimmer khorder.
Okay. شمبر تقوي ما عرفت.
So what do you call it in Somali?
غورانيو.
Goron. Oh, Miss Naya Goron. That's what she meant this whole time.
Yes. غورانيو عمل غورته ديرتا أما قري.
Thank you for it.
Okay. This is the last one. أنا سو قلها يا.
Gel.
Yes, but لكن مقعو ليه مركي سانتا.
Santa Nagoda.
عنقته يتنبو مقع الله. هو يدا عنقته بو. سومالي جو حلو ده.
Gel y Gel Junior.
قال جابنيز.
Gel y Gel Junior. Junior. Gel Junior and Gel. That's it. Done.
This is Gale Junior. Okay. Gale عنقتيز. Okay. سومالي جو حلو ده. هل نيرك مقش. هل وحال ده. The female هو يدا. Female هل. عاد أنا هل وامسود لك هل جيل هل عنق مرسي يرتان نيريجال لها. نيريك. Okay. حيوانات كواك بحناي. Now we go into YouTube وقلنا geographical وقلنا وسمينا Somalia بدأ مرتو. Atlantic Ocean.
Indian Ocean. Come on. We have the best beach in the world. Yeah.
خطر واك بحثات
I'm
خط.
so sorry guys. Like Somali celebrities.
لكن
like that.
يوتيوب سومال بدنا في رسالته.
Yeah, I know when I'm so bad. I do. You know what it is? I don't even watch English YouTubers, so if that even, you know. But I will definitely start watching. You know, I'm bad with
Okay.
names.
I'm a TikTok كبوحان سومال TikTok.
Yeah, I can do TikToks. I'm gonna do TikToks, and I've been doing them all.
سميس. Okay. And
know, so-
TikTok ويلي ملي هذا سميسنا. Okay. Okay. Yes.
No, I definitely need to start watching more YouTube girls. and more YouTube.
Yes. ما يواك بحثتي أنت سهت.
Yeah.
So for start was good. Thank you.
for
سمية
having
وفي عنات آلات. سديتنكي ولا فيرنا امتحانك ولا مساحة.
If I get
I think 75. Okay. ما يقاسي سند دوينها صوصي قبل ما يقاس صوصي سند
Comment
كاسينا.
down below, yeah.
So إذا بحيث سديتن marka idinka meeqa dhahdeen 100 ma siinaysan 70 ma siinaysan 60 ma siinaysan 35 soo sheega barnaamijka Naji Show maanta inta ku eg yahay subscribe like share gareeya nala socda barnaamijka how Somali ayu waxa waaye dad badan la sameeynayna next maybe adiga waay nala soo xiriir thank you bye ciao